5 tips to boost your mood. Boosting your mood and helping yourself feel more positive is a great thing to do, no matter how tough life can be. It may be that something as simple as singing along to a favorite piece of music or watching an episode of a classic comedy does the trick. Or, if you're feeling lonely, spending time with others, especially children or animals, can help to bring some light back into your life. Here are Daily Health's 5 tips on how to lift your spirits. Smile. When you smile, it triggers mood-boosting hormones in the brain. So even if you don't feel happy, put a smile on your face and you may soon start to feel more positive. Smiling not only offers a mood boost, but helps our bodies release cortisol and endorphins that provide numerous health benefits. Reduced blood pressure. Increased endurance. Reduced pain. Reduced stress. Strengthened immune system. Keep busy. It doesn't matter whether you tidy up the garden, wash the dishes, or go for a walk, any activity that helps to break up your routine and gives you a sense of achievement will do the trick. A study revealed that being busy can increase motivation and reduce task completion time. Busy people are more inclined to have a schedule, set goals, and prioritize their workload so they become more productive. Talk to someone. It doesn't matter whether you meet up face-to-face, talk on the phone, chat online, or use Skype, connecting with other people helps to bring you out of yourself. Talking to others helps you to boost up your mood when you're feeling down. It makes you feel connected and rises your spirits. Help others. Research shows that helping other people will help to lift your mood. So do a favor for a friend, donate to charity, or volunteer. Volunteering is a great way to help others, and research shows that it benefits people of all ages by increasing feelings of self-esteem, social connection, and well-being. If you have friends or neighbors who are finding things difficult at the moment, see what you can do to help. Helping others can also improve one's spiritual health. It isn't only good for others and a good thing, it also makes us happier and healthier and can reduce stress levels in some cases. Giving connects us to others, strengthens community, and helps create a happier society for all. And it's good for society. Live in the moment. If you're feeling low, try to regulate your breathing and pay attention to what you can see, hear, and feel at the present moment. This will help you to feel calm and bring you back into emotional balance. Studies show that people who focus on seeking pleasure in the moment are happier than those who are focused on the past. And those that take the time to notice more of the small things and enjoy the simple pleasures of life are happier and often more productive. The ability to be in the present moment is a major component of mental wellness. Only in the present moment can you achieve true happiness, peace, and joy, which are all key for our mental well-being. The future is not in your control, tomorrow has not happened, tomorrow is not real. All that is real is now. This moment right here is the only moment that truly matters. When should you seek help and speak to your doctor about your low mood? If your mood is causing noticeable problems in your day-to-day activities, make an appointment to see your doctor or mental health professional as soon as you can. Almost everybody wants to achieve a good mood, whether that be in the moment or an overall sense of happiness and fulfillment. Countless factors we experience every day influence our mood, such as diet, physical activity, sleep, weather, season, social well-being, posture, financial stability, menstrual cycle, stress, exposure to news, social media use, clutter, and even the color that you're wearing. Your mental outlook can affect your physical condition, and your physical condition also may affect your mental health. When sadness persists for longer than a few weeks without relief, you may have depression. Depression is treatable. Please seek help if you have chronic feelings of hopelessness. Being open to positive change is a key to emotional wellness. Sometimes people think that emotions just happen, kind of like the weather, but research suggests that we can have some control over which emotions we experience. As mounting research suggests, having a positive mindset might help to improve your physical health as well. A growing body of research suggests that having a positive outlook can benefit your physical health. Scientists are working to better understand the links between your attitude and your body. They're finding some evidence that emotional wellness can be improved by developing certain skills, especially the ones we suggested. Having a positive outlook doesn't mean you never feel negative emotions, such as sadness or anger. All emotions, whether positive or negative, are adaptive in the right circumstances. The key seems to be finding a balance between the two. Positive emotions expand our awareness and open us up to new ideas, so we can grow and add to our toolkit for survival, but people need negative emotions to move through difficult situations and respond to them appropriately in the short term. Negative emotions can get us into trouble, though, if they're based on too much rumination about the past or excessive worry about the future, and they're not really related to what's happening in the here and now. People who are emotionally well have fewer negative emotions and are able to bounce back from difficulties faster. This quality is called resilience. Another sign of emotional wellness is being able to hold on to positive emotions longer and appreciate the good times. Developing a sense of meaning and purpose in life, and focusing on what's important to you, also contributes to emotional wellness. So, do you tend to look on the sunny side, or do you see a future filled with dark, stormy skies? With these tips, you can boost up your mood and feel well emotionally. Thank you for watching our video on daily health, and don't forget to subscribe.